Hi, Karen, Product Manager at Klein Tools, here to discuss the Pass-Thru Crimper. Product is VDV226 110. Product has a cushioned grip and a nice non-slip bottom, so it never comes out of your hand. The product also features a cut and a strip, as well as a crimp, all in one tool. Take your wire, place it in the cut surface, squeeze the handle tight, you have a nice clean cut. Remove the Kevlar string. When you're ready to strip, you place the wire into the strip nest, tighten it, push it up slightly, rotate it through, open the crimper, bend it back and forth. Will not damage the jacket. Remove the Kevlar string. Untwist the pairs, get them started a little. Take the jacket you just stripped off. It helps untwist the pairs. Once the pairs are separated, straighten each conductor wire. I recommend that you use your fingers and not a tool so you don't damage the jacket. If you do any damage to any of these conductor wire jackets, that will cause a failed connector. When your wires are relatively straight, you start to put them into the correct order. Our tool conveniently has the T568A and 568B wiring diagrams built right into the tool. It has it on both sides so that you can check as you put it into the tool and as it comes out of the tool. Just make sure that the wire is in the right orientation. Then I lay the tool down and follow the pattern. I use the 568B. The 568B is the most common wiring pattern used. So it's orange and white orange, green and white blue, blue and white green, brown and white brown. Once the wire's in the correct order and straight, you want to make sure that you trim them off. Simply again lay it into the tool and press. Then you make sure you use pass-through connectors. There's Cat 5E, Cat 6, a 10-pack, a 50-pack, or a 200-pack. Take out your connector, verify your wires are in the right order, straighten them out again. Make sure that your plug is in the right orientation. Make sure the latch is up or down depending on which way you did your wiring. Then you simply push the wires through the connector. Make sure that you push the plug in past the strain relief on this jacket. The strain relief will be also compressed while you crimp. Wires are all through. You simply insert the plug with the correct wiring orientation. And then once the wires are through, simply squeeze the tool. All the wires come off clean. When it's done cycling, it will pop open again. You'll notice that all of the wires are tight against the nose of the plug. You've completed your termination.